Good morning guys and welcome back to the vlog. So today is January 14th, 2025 and today I have another very busy day and I'm super excited because today I'm going to be getting a call in about an hour from Dr. Amen Clinics and we're going to be getting on to discuss kind of the results from all of the brain scans and all the tests that they were doing when I was down in Arizona. And then a little bit later I have to meet a new dog sitting client and it's just up the street, and basically what I do is I just go over there and I get to meet the dogs, which is always really fun. And then they're just going to be telling me all the information that I need to know about like door codes, feeding times, walking the dogs, and everything like that before they go on vacation. So right now I'm just making a list of questions in this notebook and I'm writing down all the things that I would need to know before I start this dog sitting next week, and just information about getting into the house, feeding schedule, and all the questions that I might need to ask the owner while she's still here, so then I don't have to bother her while she's on vacation, and so I can have all the information written down in my notebook just in case, so then if I ever need or I have any questions while I'm dog sitting for her, then I can just look in the notebook and I don't have to bother her. So I asked ChatGPT to make a list of questions that I should ask the owner as a dog sitter, and so this is the questions that they came up with, and they're actually pretty good. And overall it's just 100 questions that are related to dog sitting and taking care of pets while people are away. So it's about 10:24 a.m. now and my meeting is in about 6 minutes, and I'm probably not going to be able to film too much of the actual appointment, so I will just update the vlog here after the appointment and I will let you know how it goes. So we just got off the call with the doctor from Amen Clinics and the call went really well. Basically she was just telling me about all the results for all my scans, and she was going over different things that I can start implementing in my life, so then from now on I can live a better, more fulfilling life with ADD. And so I'm super excited, and I'll probably do another video where I talk more in depth about it, but for now I need to get going because I have my dog sitting appointment in about, I think, an hour. Yeah, in a little less than an hour, so I gotta get going and start getting ready for that. So I just left the dog sitting appointment and I would say it went really well, and the owners are really nice and I like them a lot. So I'm not really sure how it's gonna go because the dates that they're gone, I'm hopefully gonna be taking a job here shortly, and I'm not really sure what my hours are gonna look like for my job, and so I'm gonna have to get back to them in a couple of days. And I told them that I'd let them know kind of what my hours look like since their dog can't be in a kennel for more than 4 hours by himself. So basically I told them that I would let them know as soon as I get a job, as soon as I kind of find out what my hours are, and then I would update them and let them know. Gracie, come here. So I just got home from my dog meet and greet and it went really well, and the next thing that I'm going to work on is I'm going to go through my Instagram DMs. So I just have like all of my DMs on my phone, and I've been trying to respond to everybody about every month, and that's something that I'm trying to get into the habit of doing, and so that's what I'm going to work on here for the next hour, and I will update the vlog here as we go. So it is currently now about 6 p.m. and I've just been working on my computer for the last 2 hours, and I've just been working on making that spreadsheet and responding to all my DMs in my Instagram, and now we're making dinner real quick. So we're just doing tacos, and I just cooked the ground beef, and we're having like cheese and lettuce as well, and this is the dinner that we're making.
How many did you get, Eva?
So I just finished eating dinner with my family, and now I'm going to do some more work on my computer, and I'm going to try and edit some photos, and I'm going to move all the photos and videos from my computer that are from yesterday's vlog onto my hard drive, and so I'm going to be working on that for the next hour, and I will update the vlog here as soon as I'm done. A quick vlog update. So it is now about 10 o'clock and I am exhausted, and I just finished working on my computer and moving all of the hard drive photos over, and now I'm gonna go to bed. So this is the end of today's vlog, but thank you so much for tuning into the video today, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another daily vlog. I'll see you guys in the morning.